one of your nicest dogs that you have.
What? What, honey? What you doing?
There's Cooper coming to feed us.
Are ya?
There goes Cooper, Tam Tam.
I know. He's cracking me up. There he goes. We're getting some fresh air because it's so gorgeous finally. It's been raining for 2-3 months.
What did you see, Tam Tam? You've been what?
Finally some fresh air. What's going on with this one? Huh? Where's your sticker? I better go get Cooper. Okay, bud. I'll get him.
Can I go see the ponies?
Yes, you may. Just be real careful, okay?
Why? Don't
Don't step behind them. Oh, they're safe, but you just want to make sure you're safe. Don't step behind them. Look at this little gremlin. Little gremlin boy. What do you look? What you see?